Hello my dear children, welcome back to our maths class. Today we will solve exercise revise and exercise 6.1. So let's start. Question 1. Draw rings to separate into groups. Number A. Divide 12 crayons into equal group of 4 each. Means here you have to equally divide 12 crayons into group of 4 each. So make a group 1, 2, 3, 4, one group, 1, 2, 3, 4, second group, 1, 2, 3, 4, third group. So how many groups are there? There are 3 groups. So 12 divided by 4 is equal to 3. Divide 9 lollipops into equal group of 3 each. To make a group of 3 lollipops, 1, 2 and 3 groups. So 9 divided by 3 is equal to 3. Question 2. Put an equal number in each place. 12 toffees in 4 bags. Means you have to divide these 12 toffees equally in these 4 bags. So 12 divided by 4 is equal to 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12. So 12 divided by 4 is equal to 3. So each bag contains 3 toffees. So write here 3. 8 flowers in 2 baskets. So you have to divide these flowers into 2. So 8 divided by 2 is equal to 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8. Means each basket contains 4 flowers. 16 apples on 4 plates. Here you have to divide 16 apples equally between 4 plates. So 16 divided by 4 is equal to 4 fours are 16. Means each plate contains 4 apples. So write here 4. Now come on page number 90, exercise 6.1. Question number 1. Divide by equal sharing. 20 divided by 4. Divide 20 into equal group of 4 each. Here you can draw a lines or circles, anything. How many groups are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So 20 divided by 4 is equal to 5. 18 divided by 3. Divide 18 into equal group of 3 each. Let's start draw line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Okay. How many groups are there? There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 groups. So 18 divided by 3 is equal to 6. 12 divided by 6. Divide 12 into equal group of 6 each. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. How many groups are there? There are 1 and 2 groups. So 12 divided by 6 is equal to 2. 14 divided by 2. Divide 14 into equal group of 2 each. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. How many groups are there? There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 groups. So 14 divided by 2 is equal to 7. This you have to do by yourself. Question number 2. Divide by repeated subtraction. 27 divided by 9. Here you have to subtract 9 from the 27 till you will get a 0. So 27 minus 9 is equal to 18. Again 18 minus 9 is 9. 9 minus 9 is 0. So how many times you subtract 9? 1, 2 and 3. So 27 divided by 9 is equal to 3. 18 divided by 6. So you have to subtract 18 from the 6. 18 minus 6 is equal to 12. Now again you have to subtract 12 from the 6. So 12 minus 6 is 6. Again subtract 6 from the 6. 6 minus 6 is 0. So here you subtract 6 1, 2 and 3 times. So 18 minus 6 is equal to 3. 15 divided by 5. So 15 minus 5 is equal to 10. Again you have to subtract 10 from the 5. 10 minus 5 is 5. Again you have to subtract 5 from the 5. 5 minus 5 is 0. So 1, 2 and 3 times we subtract. So 15 minus 5 is equal to 3. This you have to do by yourself. Question number 3. Divide on the number line. 14 divided by 7. So you have to start from backward. Take a backward jump of 7 steps each. 1 and 2 jumps. So 14 divided by 7 is equal to 2. 15 divided by 5. So you have to start from 15 and take backward jump of 5 steps each. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So take a 1 jump on 10. Again 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Second jump on 5 and third jump on 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So 1, 2 and 3 jumps. So 15 divided by 5 is equal to 3. Number C, 12 divided by 4. So you have to start from 12 and take a backward jump of 4 steps each. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So jump on 8. Again 1, 2, 3 and 4. Jump on 4. Again 1, 2, 3 and 4. So how many times you have jumped? 1, 2 and 3. So 12 divided by 4 is equal to 3. Number D you have to do by yourself. Question number 4. Recall the multiplication tables to divide the following. Number A, 18 divided by 9. For that you have to speak the table of 9. 9 2s are 18. So write here 2. 9 2s are 18. Number B, 15 divided by 3. So speak the table of 3. 3 5s are 15. So write here 5. 36 divided by 6. 6 6s are 36. So write here 6. 32 divided by 8. 8 4s are 32. So answer is 4. 36 divided by 4. 4 9s are 36. Our answer is 9. 25 divided by 5. Speak the table of 5. 5 5s are 25. So write here 5. Question number 5. Regroup the given dividends and then divide. 39 divided by 3. 39 means 3 tens and 9 ones. Divide by 3. Now you will divide 3 tens by 3. So 3 divided by 3 is equal to 1 10 and 9 ones divided by 3 is equal to 3 ones. So 1 10 and 3 ones is equal to 13. Number B, 48 divided by 4. 48 means 4 tens and 8 ones. Now divide 4 tens by 4. 4 tens divided by 4 is equal to 4 ones are 4. So 1 10 and 8 ones divided by 4. So 4 twos are 8 means 2 ones. 1 tens and 2 ones means 12. So 48 divided by 4 is equal to 12. Number C, 63 divided by 3. 63 means 6 tens, 3 ones. Now divide 6 tens by 3. 3 twos are 6 and 3 divided by 3 means 3 by 3 is equal to 3 ones are 3 means 1 ones. So 2 tens and 1 ones means 21. 63 divided by 3 is equal to 21. Number D, 84 divided by 2. 84 means 8 tens and 4 ones. Now 8 tens divided by 2 means 2 fours are 8 and 4 ones divided by 2. 2 twos are 4. 4 tens and 2 ones is equal to 42. Means 84 divided by 2 is equal to 42. Number E you have to do by yourself. Here I am attaching a PDF file. You can write from the PDF. Bye bye students. Take care.